This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brenda Fisher. Spring into your new home. Center Hall Colonial with formal living room which would make great office or place room and has sliding barn doors. There is a formal dining room which is currently set up for a home school. Large eat-in kitchen with new granite counters and lots of cabinets, plenty of room for eat-in area. The den has a fireplace to enjoy chilly nights and doors that lead to the back deck. The bedrooms located on the second level are good sized also. The primary bedroom has ensuite and walk-in closet. The windows and roof are newer. The home has a 2-car garage and ample storage. The backyard is a great size for gardens, entertaining, etc. You are just around the corner from a marina, and the Surfrider Restaurant Sellers are offering a 1-year home warranty. Don't delay, call today. For more information, review the details below.